Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. I'm having lunch today, asparagus soup. It's one of my favorite recipes from the 7-day spring detox, and today I'm actually launching a 5-week Kundalini Yoga spring detox series, which I'm very excited about. So to honor the launch day, I'm eating very clean and just using the recipes from the 7-day spring detox that many of you have done with me in the past. And this is a very simple recipe. It is asparagus, onions and garlic, and I also used a little bit of cauliflower and potato. You can use both or either or. And then what you see on top is seaweed flakes, which is very good for iodine, thyroid support, and just one chive from the garden, the chive flower, and also the chive itself. I just cut up with some scissors, and this is a lovely lunch, and I'm going to have a salad, an arugula salad, right after it. So I will post a recipe, and you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. Make sure you're staying healthy. Having our health is more important than ever. Love you guys.